Today I'm taking you to the Chanel boutique in the Bloor street so you can see what type of collection they have recently. I have not been to Chanel boutique for a long time, so I also want to see like what they have. I've been seeing different YouTube videos. Looks like they have some nice collections, especially for the colors. So we are going to see it together.
Oh shit. Oh, it's our friend's mint green.
Oh,
It
it has
a
matching.
different taupe.
Wow.
I think that's the only burgundy. However, yeah.